Good morning, everyone. I am Rakshit Gupta from class 10D from MIT International School, Mayur Vihar, Delhi, India. And my project is called Krishi Mitra AI, the Smart Farm Guardian. This is a farmer's assistant which will help in farming and monitoring their crops closely. It's based on the subtopic AI for social good. This project helps farmers by automatically monitoring important farm conditions using Arduino sensors and artificial intelligence. Now I will show you how the project works. It detects soil moisture, temperature, humidity, light intensity, and any movement of pests and animals. When the soil is dry, the RGB light turns red, as you can see here. The soil is dry, so the light is red. And when moisture is sufficient, it turns green. If the light is low or the LDR, that is the light sensor, is covered, then the RGB will turn blue and the buzzer will beep. Now I will show you. As you can see, I have covered the sensor from top and the buzzer is beeping. Also, I have put an ultrasonic sensor to detect animal movement and servo motor with a spray on it, so that the animal or pest coming onto the crop will scare them away and they will go away. The AI system on my laptop uses a camera to detect whether a leaf or food sample is fresh or spoiled. The system also gives voice feedback in Hindi, so even illiterate farmers can easily understand. For example, when it gives a response like moisture is low, in Hindi it is translated मिट्टी में नमी कम है और पत्ता खराब है. That means leaf is spoiled. Now I will show you the practical use. This is the code. As you can see, multiple responses are being generated. For the AI section, I will put a leaf in front of the camera. As you can see, this leaf has a disease on it and it is spoiled. So when I click the picture is clicked, it immediately generates a response in the computer file system and creates two files, one for the response on the data and other for the leaf. This is for the leaf.
ये पत्ता खराब दिखता है.
And for the data repeatedly coming from the Arduino, it will generate a response like this.
Temp 26.80 C, humidity 57.00%, soil 846, light 812, distance 503 centimeters.
I have used Python in my project and it is fully automated. My project provides an affordable, smart and easy to use solution for rural and local farmers. Crop loss and improving productivity. Krishi Mitra AI is not just an device, it is a step towards smart and sustainable farming for India's future. Thank you. This is just a prototype. More work is being done on it, and if more money is invested on this project, then we can take it to a big level and it can bring revolution for rural and illiterate farmers in India. Thank you.